Install your plywood. Okay, so we're going to install your plywood sheeting. You can see that Dan has just come in with a full sheet. You want to line it up with the center of your entrance truss. You can see that the plywood runs in the center of that truss. And then over the other side, it's on the center of the window truss. You then screw it off. That's a good indicator that things are going well. Once you get to the bottom row, it's pretty simple to start putting on the sheets one by one with the smallest sheets at the top.